Hello and welcome to the Create a New Page tutorial for our WordPress Basic User Guide. To begin, go to your dashboard and from the left-hand menu, expand the Pages options and select Add New. Here you will have a place to enter a page title. We're going to call this Example Page. And below you'll have a spot to put in your page text. I'm going to put some sample text in here. Below this, you're going to have a secondary properties area. This will be become clear as to what it's used for here shortly. We're going to enter that in here. Okay, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and we're going to choose the layout that we like best. We're going to go with the primary non-flash image gallery, and then we're going to choose a two-column layout. Make sure to select the right column or right layout that you like. And then we come down to the sidebars area. You can choose to match these up with regions. We're going to do top sidebar here. Content region top. Sure, why don't we do a content top sidebar. Try to match this up as we've already got it going on. We're not going to choose anything there. We can do a lower and a footer. Alright. Below this, we're going to have a discussion area. You can allow comments or disallow. Typically, if it's just a regular web page, we'd probably disallow them. You can allow trackbacks and pingbacks if you wish, and if you don't know what they are, you can click on this link to learn more. And that's more or less it here. Scrolling back up to the top, we have a couple other areas here. We have page attributes. This is typically not used with this generation of WordPress theme. If you're using a legacy menuing system that required an ordering of your pages, this is what you'd use here. Below that you'd have a featured image, and we like to use this to give an image for the featured page. I'll show that widget to you a little bit later. But if you've never used the media uploader, it's quite easy to use. We're going to select some files here. I'm going to upload this image here, double click, and the image uploads. And let it finish crunching. And to make it, all we're going to do here is we're going to set it as my featured image. It's now saved. I can close it down, and that image is now used at later. And then lastly up, we've got the publish section. You can save this as a draft, which means it doesn't go live if you like, or if you're ready to go live, you hit publish. There are a couple other options here. There's visibility, and you click on that and you can make it public like it is, or password protected. We're not going to do that right here, or you can just make it private. And you can also set it so that you can have it published at a later date. And typically you just publish things immediately. Alright, so we're just going to hit publish. Page has been saved, and you'll notice that there's now a link that says view page. We're going to click on that. You can see this is our brand new page. Up at the top here you're going to see example page. That's the page title. You see how I had secondary title and then secondary description goes here. This is our top sidebar. What we see here is our content top sidebar, and then of course our left sidebar here. Below here is our lower sidebar, and then our footer sidebar. Now you can change which widgets belong in each of those sidebars. These are just here as part of an example as placeholders. But moving back to that last page, one thing that we're going to want to do is add this page to the navigation. So we're going to click on the navigation button here and click on the example page from the pages option here. Click add to menu. You're going to notice it's going to add it right down here. This is fine. We can actually configure the label that's shown here. But for now we're just going to say that's fine. Make sure you save your menu. And this is just going to apply it to the side menu, not the top menu. And we're going to go back to pages. Quickly go view that page. And you're going to see it's going to show up on the left-hand menu now as well. Oh, we're going to need to add it. Oh, just reloaded the page. There it is. And you'll see that example page is now there. So I hope that helps.